Hey, what's going on, y'all? Ivy here, just with a quick update about the relay for the Yoshimura LED turn signals. First of all, you'd think for the price Yoshimura would include the proper relay, but anyway, doesn't matter. I found the proper one that works with the 2020 model, and it's actually pretty easy to install, so let's get into it. So the relay that I got was from a company called TST Industries. This one was about $34. You can probably find it cheaper on Amazon. Just make sure it's a 7-pin relay, because that's the one that fits the 2020 model. So the old relay is up under the seat on the left side, and I'll just try to show you that. So it's right up under here. You can see the wire to it right here. It's not too hard to pull out. It's just a rubber kind of grommet up here that it pops out of. Okay, so not a great angle, but I'm doing my best to try to show you where it is, how to get it out. It's just tight because of this rubber keeper. Just wiggle it back and forth. Once you look up under there, you'll see what I'm talking about. Probably can't see anything with the camera angle, but whatever. Yeah, it's coming. It's just okay, so I got it disconnected. The rubber keeper stayed up there, but we can just put it back in once we get it back out. Just remember the direction that it was in. I think it was like this. So I'll just put it back in. So I put the rubber grommet back in. Kind of a pain, but it'll go in. Just monkey with it a little bit. And on the old relay, there's just 2 clips here that you can pry up on, one at a time. And just don't pull on these wires too hard. You might even use a screwdriver, but it'll come out. Here's the old relay and the new relay. Just make sure they match, and reinstall or install the new one. And let's see if it works. I haven't even tried it yet, so let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks with the original relay in. You can see it doesn't go all the way across, and it's too fast. Just like it would be on your car's turn signals if one of them was out. Hey, check it out. Now they work properly and actually look pretty good. Now I'm tempted to get front sequential turn signals. That looks cool. Alright, that's great. So, looks like we're good. Just make sure it's connected or all the way seated in the clips. And then place it back in how it was. Just wiggle it. It'll go in. That's what she said. So just one little note, be slow and deliberate about how you put it back on, because the clip that it clips into, that the rubber grommet slides onto, is plastic, and so it's easy to bend, and I found myself doing that when I was putting it back on, but it's on, and we're good to go. Alright, so that's awesome that it worked out, and that it was so easy to install. Don't have to mess with splicing wires or anything like that. And I'm happy that my turn signals are finally working like they should. I'll just put a link to that relay in the description, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.